In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see password of Roblox account in PC. Let's get started. I will show you Roblox password from Google account. Not only Roblox, you can see all password you save into Google account. Here's the trick. Open a new tab and click on profile icon, then click on manage your Google account A. Once inside your Google account, go to the security tab. Scroll down and click on password manager. Scroll through the list and find Roblox. Click on it. Now here you can see Roblox password. And that's it. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.